Hello everyone, welcome. This is Jorish Fashion Academy. Please, if you are new to this channel, do well to like and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be notified immediately. Now let's get started. First of all, you cut your stain you are using to make your collar. There are different stains you can use to make collar. In my own case, I'm using collar stain. You cut it after drafting out your collar on it. You cut it into the size of the collar and the shape of the collar you're also making. You cut very carefully. Make sure while cutting, you avoid sharp edges to have a professional look collar. Now, the base of the collar is very, very important. You cut it also from the same collar stain. You mark out an even line around the edge that you will trim to give you that bulky appearance you saw in the collar that I made. Now you trace out this line and make sure your line is traced very neatly and make sure it is even. With your ruler, you rule across it to have a straight and a perfect line. Thereafter, you poke it and then you begin to trim out the unwanted parts of the collar, like as you can see me do. You trim out this part, then you place it on the other collar you have made. Then you iron so very meticulously. Iron, making sure that it doesn't bulge out from the other side. You make sure that that shape you have cut, it aligns with the collar you have made. Then you have something like, as you can see, you iron your fabric very well. Then you place your fabric to iron the collar to avoid staining the fabric ironing. The iron so very properly. You make sure you iron so very properly. You can see the shape of the collar is already appearing on the fabric. That bulgy part to give you that unique appearance. You see, making a nice collar makes your business grow very well. Making a nice collar makes your outfit sell so very easily. Making a nice collar helps your business grow faster. So you take your time to create the collar, like as you can see me do. Then you trim out the excess fabric from it. Then you cut the interfacing, very, very importantly. Then you seam around the edge that should be seamed, leaving the base open. Then you turn, then you begin to seam. You close seam at the other edges to ensure that you give the collar a good structure. That's why you're making that seam. You trim out the unwanted fabric, you trim out the excess fabric, then you go back again to your table, then you put the base of the main collar, which you are seeing. Then you begin to iron. After ironing, then you cut the facing of it, the interfacing. You cut it to its size. Then you go back to the machine to begin to work on this part. Let's see how we'll go about this. When you get to the machine, after ironing the base of the main collar, you go to the machine, you begin to attach it, marking the midpoint of this base of the collar. And marking the midpoint of the collar itself, you place the midpoints together and begin to sew from that point. Like as you can see me do, the midpoint, you place it so very well. Then you begin to wash from beneath to ensure that your seam are going as it should go. Making sure that you're not seaming at a point where you're not supposed to seam. After seaming one side, you turn and flip over to the other side and you begin to seam. Thereafter, you use your interfacing to give you the desired covered collar that you need. You begin to sew, just as I have sewn the first part, you begin to sew the interfacing on the base of the main collar. Be meticulous about doing this because the result will be much, much overwhelming. The result will be so fantastic, just as you can see me do. After you've done this, you trim out the excess fabric from it and make sure every single thread is trimmed away to give your work a neat finishing. You begin to cut off the excess fabric. You don't need, leaving 1/4 of an inch of fabric at the base of the main collar, because that is what you need to seam it to attach to the piece of the collar. But at the end of the day, look at what we've gotten. Very fantastic. We've gotten a perfectly made collar. As you can see, it is very clean, very accurate, very precise, and looking so laudable. Please Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. If this video has helped you, if you have gained something, please click on the notification bell. Whenever we upload wonderful videos like this, you'll be one of the first persons to be notified. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, see you in my next video. Cheers. I have wonderful videos on my channel. Please do well to watch and improve in your fashion business. Thank you so very much.